Find ideas to create a strong affiliate marketing plan. Affiliate marketing, not to be confused with internet marketing although they overlap, is a marketing practice involving rewarding affiliates for each visitor/customer that is brought in through via the affiliate's own marketing efforts. This is a form of online marketing in which the consumer is on one type of site and then clicks on a banner ad that brings them to the prime retailer's site. Facebook is the most current and profitable site to engage in affiliate marketing. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. When joining an affiliate marketing program, make sure the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to tell the legitimacy of a company is by the terms of their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being connected with a reputable company will boost your credibility, being connected to a shady company will hurt it. Affiliate networks, also known as affiliate brokers, can be useful for connecting webmasters to good advertisers. Smart webmasters work with reputable networks. Running an affiliate network is a business, like any other, and there are professional accreditations and organizations for brokers. Working for established networks with good standing in their industry to avoid scam artists. Affiliate marketing is bringing the marketplace to a whole new level on the internet. Consumers based in Nebraska are being directed to merchants located all over the world in targeted marketing directives. Affiliate marketing is a cost-effective form of online marketing that has gained growing acceptance since its conception in 1994. Large online merchants such as Amazon.com and CD Now have produced great results engaging in this practice. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.